Our question is asking to decide whether the following utility functions they're monotonic or strongly monotonic. So we'll start with the first one, which is u equals to x plus y. So we'll put some numbers for x and y, say 5, 5. Our resultant utility is 10. Okay. Now the point is that if by increasing any one of the commodity by one more, okay, your utility increases by more than 10, then you will say this that your function is strongly monotonic. Well, if you have to increase both the commodities by 1 and then only your utility is increasing, then you will say this that your function is monotonic. Okay, say for example, you just increase your utility by 1 here, that is 5 to 6, and keeping the other one constant. What is your resultant utility? Which is 11, which is definitely greater than which is definitely greater than 10. Okay, so 11 is of course greater than 10, and this it means is that just by increasing one of the commodity which is x by 1, okay, you have been able to increase utility. Okay, so this is the case of strong monotonicity. Okay, now the other one, x is equal to min of xy. Okay, so you have your x and y given to you. Remember this that you will have to have some idea of where exactly consumption would lie. Okay, otherwise you'll be confused. So its consumption would lie at x equals to y only. Okay, so we'll start with say 5, 5. Our total utility in this case would be equal to 5, so because min of 5, 5 is 5. Okay, that is min of 5, 5 is 5. Fine. Now, say you increase this x by 1, okay, and keeping the other commodity as constant at 5. So x would now become equal to 6 and y would now become equal to 5. Okay, so what is min of 5, 6 is 5. Okay, so there has been no change in utility. Okay, there has been no change in utility. Well, if you increase this by 1 again, okay, so this is 6, now this also becomes 6. Now your utility would become 6 because min of 6, 6 is 6. Okay, so this kind of a function in which you have to increase both the commodities by 1, 1 and then only your utility increases. Okay, so these functions are like monotonic functions. Okay, remember this that strong monotonicity would imply monotonicity.